So, after sailing for the last couple days from Antarctica, we have arrived in Port Stanley, Falkland Islands. The Falkland Islands are also known as Las Malvinas in Spanish. So today, we're going to check out the Falkland Islands. Let's go explore and see what all is here for us to see. Maybe we'll see some penguins, who knows? But this is the Falkland Islands. We've arrived in the Falkland Islands. So today there are actually 2 cruise ships here, which means there are more guest visitors here than there are residents. Fun. Here we are at the church, and that thing in front of the church is actually whalebone, so that's kind of neat. Let's check it out.
They are very eco-friendly, very well insulated, and they suit the weather out here pretty well.
So I'm back on the ship. One of the things that's interesting about the Falklands Islands is notice the hills behind me have no trees. So the Falkland Island has no trees, and there aren't any trees in town either. So it's kind of desolate, very flat, barren. Not flat, there's hills and mountains, but it's barren. Anyway, it's an interesting place. I'll show you some videos of what the Falkland Islands look like now.